Hi AnyFans, I'm Carol, Head of Customer Support, and I'm here to show you how to connect to your exchange. So in order to connect your exchange to Any, first we need to create the API keys on the exchange. For this video, I'm going to use the exchange Binance US as an example, but all of them are almost the same. And you don't need to worry, because we have detailed articles for all of them on our Help Center. So let's create an exclusive API for any smart trading. After logging in, click on your profile in the upper right corner and select API Management. Give your API a name and click on Create. Then authenticate and confirm the email. Clicking on the Confirming Creation link will open the screen. I suggest that you save the API and secret key somewhere, as you will need them to connect to Any, and the secret key won't show again if the page refreshes. Now edit restrictions, enable spot trading, and remember, never check the Enable Withdraw field. This is the withdraw permission and it's not required to operate with Any. It's not selected, so leave it that way. This will protect both you and Any. For security purposes, some exchanges require the list of APIs from Any servers, and Binance US is one of them. And we have them here for you. Unfortunately, we can't copy-paste all at once and needs to be done one by one. After you copy-paste all of them, click on Save and Authenticate. Now we go to Any, paste the keys, and confirm. And that's it. You are all set. Any suggestions for the next steps are to create a trade and to create a bot, but I will cover that in another video. Bye-bye. If you have any question, remember to go to our Help Center page and feel free to contact our support anytime.